video, we will understand electric flux and Gauss's law. To understand Gauss's law, let's first comprehend electric flux. Electric flux is the total number of electric field lines crossing through a given surface area. In simpler terms, it is the total electric field lines passing through a specific surface. In the animation, we observe that some electric field lines are passing through an open area of a rectangular surface. We divide this rectangular area into small differential areas, delta A, and each is considered to have a size of delta A. Delta A is referred to as the differential area, and we take a perpendicular vector to delta called the area vector. The magnitude of this area vector is delta A. To understand Gauss's law, let's first comprehend electric flux. The electric flux passing through dA is denoted by d phi and is also called the differential of flux. It is equal to the dot product of the electric field and the area vector. The differential of flux defines the dot product of the electric field and area vector. When we simplify it, we get the cosine angle, which is the angle between the electric field and the area vector. The total flux is equal to the integral of dot product, or the integral of electric field and area vector. Now, let's relate electric flux to Gauss's law. In the animation, a positive charge is placed at the center of a sphere with a radius r. Now, consider a small area dA on this sphere. The area vector is perpendicular to the surface and points radially outward. Since the electric field generated by the charge is also radially outward, the angle between the area vector and the electric field is 0. As we know, the cosine of 0 is 1, and putting this value in the flux formula, we get the total flux as the product of the electric field and the surface area, which is 4 pi r superscript 2. By putting the area value into the flux formula, we find that the total electric flux is equal to Q divided by epsilon, where epsilon naught is the electrical permittivity of free space. This equation, relating total electric flux to the charge enclosed, is known as Gauss's law. Gauss's law can be defined in this way. The electric flux going through a closed surface is the sum of all charges, Q inside the closed surface divided by permittivity of free space,